I want to show you how to make a circle animation in Premiere Pro. I've just added a video to my timeline, and I'd like to add an animated circle around my ladybug when it gets to the end of the stick. To do this, first go over to your toolbar and click on the Ellipse tool. If you only see the rectangle tool, left-click and hold, and a drop-down will appear, allowing you to select the Ellipse tool. Once you have the Ellipse tool selected, move your timeline slider to the part of the video you want the animation to begin, and then go over to your preview window and draw a circle around your subject. Once created, go over to the Essential Graphics panel and uncheck the Fill option and check off the Stroke option. This will create an outline rather than a solid circle. Now you can adjust the color of your circle by selecting a color besides stroke. You can also adjust the thickness of the circle by applying with this value. Once you're satisfied with the look of your circle, it's time to animate it. Go over to Effects and find the Clock Wipe effect and drag it to the beginning of your circle graphic on the timeline. Now if we look at our animation, it looks a little off and doesn't animate at the same speed throughout. To fix this, simply click on your selection tool, then double-click on your preview screen, and then click and drag your circle animation to the center of the screen. But don't worry if the circle tracks off your subject. We'll fix this in a moment. Right-click the animation graphic on the timeline and nest it. Now we can double-click on the preview screen again and move the circle back to the original spot you wanted to highlight your subject. And that's it.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.